Hey everybody, Rick Needham handicapping thoroughbred racing from beautiful Belmont Park, Elmont, New York on Wednesday, June the 17th. This is my day at the track.com race of the day. Let's take a look at the race one opener this afternoon, folks. 1:20 p.m. Eastern Post Time. It's a 6 furlong sprint on the dirt track. 3-year-olds and up racing for a claiming prize of $28,000. Contenders: number 7 Harpoon, number 3 Financial Mogul, number 2 Misner Park, and number 6 Fit to Keep. Number 7 Harpoon, the overall speed leader in his claiming field, sprinting at 6 furlongs on the dirt, takes a 9-level Trackmaster class drop, has produced power run performances in each of his last 5 outings, including a power run place finish facing better company in his last start. Number 3 Financial Mogul has also produced power run performances in 5 straight. However, I did not consider this entry for my top slot since that last race was some 207 days ago. Jockey Cornelio Velasquez and trainer Linda Rice sent him to the post. They've hit the board with 51% of the last 170 entries saddled as a team to date. Race 1 summary: number 7 Harpoon tops my contenders list this afternoon here at Belmont, which also includes number 3 Financial Mogul, number 2 Misner Park, and number 6 Fit to Keep. That's 7326 in the first from Belmont. Wednesday long shots: Mountaineer Park, Chester, West Virginia, race 4, entry number 3 Candid Opinion, 9-2 in the morning line, takes a huge class drop, some 31 Trackmaster units. The overall speed leader in his claiming field, racing at or about tonight's distance of 8.3 furlongs on the dirt. Presque Isle Downs, race 8, the 4-1 shot. Number 5 Susie Blue Light takes an 8-level Trackmaster class drop as speed figures, racing at or about tonight's distance of 8.3 furlongs on the dirt, which are equivalent to the favorite, number 3 Effect. So handicapping from Belmont on a Wednesday as we open up another racing week here in New York City. Rick Needham for the Equibase Winner Circle, and of course, day at the track.com, reminding you as always to please bet with your head, not over.